Good day, everybody. HyperTough 9.5-inch rivet tool. I'm gonna go ahead and demo this thing. I'm actually gonna use it for some gutters here pretty soon. So I just got some scrap pieces. Got a piece here, aluminum gutters, and just a little cut-off piece. So I'm gonna drill a couple holes here and pop a couple rivets in here just to test the functionality of this thing. So as far as the rivet goes, if you know the value of it, the size of it, this one in particular is a 3/16. So that means this part, the head on it, is 3/16. You want to find a 3/16 inch drill bit. If you don't know what size it is, you're pulling it out of a pile of rivets, just match it up as best as you can. And you'll see that that's the size you want there. So I've got a 3/16 inch drill bit because I know this is a 3/16 inch rivet. Nice tight fit on that rivet there. So to make sure you have the right tip, you want to go ahead and test fit it out. Make sure that fits right in there snug. So actually, we need to change this out for this one. So we'll take this off. They give you a little wrench right here. That one off, loosen it up. I'm going to swap it out for this one. Again, just testing that out, you take this end, the skinnier end, not the head, the body of the rivet. And you can see that's a nice tight fit in there. This one would be too loose. It wiggles around. I'll just swap these out. They just thread on and off. So in order to do this, the best way to do this is to collapse it. That way it depresses the spring in there. Now it'll thread on easy. You're not pushing up against it. You don't have to push down on it. Put your wrench back in there. So I'll show you the whole, see if I can do this with one hand. One hand. Holding this with the other hand. Let's take a look. Comes right out. Sometimes it takes a couple to snap it off. There you go.